Understanding the phrase, a tight circle, in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, a tight circle. This expression can be a bit tricky for English learners, but don't worry. We're going to break it down together, exploring its meanings and how to use it in conversation. Let's get started. A tight circle literally refers to a circular shape where everything is close together. Imagine a group of people standing in a circle, shoulder to shoulder, not allowing much space in between. This physical closeness represents the literal interpretation of the phrase. More often, a tight circle is used figuratively. It describes a group of people who are very close to each other, not in physical distance, but in terms of relationships and trust. This could be a group of close friends, family members, or colleagues who share a strong bond and often keep their matters private from others. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In social contexts, she has a tight circle of friends that she trusts completely. 2. In professional environments, our team is a tight circle. We work closely and share everything. When using this phrase, it's important to understand the context. If you say, "I'm part of a tight circle," it implies you're included in a close-knit group. However, saying, "they are a tight circle," might suggest you feel outside of that group. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of a tight circle. Remember, English is full of such expressions, and understanding them can really boost your fluency. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use a tight circle in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.